Gale Service Center here. We do all kinds of work on all kinds of vehicles. This is a big job. This is the GM 3.6 motor you'll find in Chevy Traverses, Acadias, Saturn Views, a lot of different small SUVs. But the 3.6 motor in particular has to be maintained precisely at every oil change, on time, every time. What happens is this actuator that goes into the block here with the timing chain area has very, very tiny screens in there that allow the oil to go through. That oil doesn't get changed, that gets blocked. That then stretches out the chain because it's not getting lubricated and heats it up, and your timing goes off and your check engine lights comes on. We see this very frequently. Please stop in and see us, and we can do maintenance for your engine to keep it from getting to this point where we have to take apart the timing chains and replace all these components. So give us a call, 388-9363. Thank you.